इसने फोन उठाया।
She picked up the phone. She picked up the phone.
लड़ाई बढ़ने से पहले वो चला गया।
He left before the fight escalated. He left before the fight escalated.
सब कुछ मामूल पर आ गया।
Everything returned to normal. Everything returned to normal.
वो रात के खाने पर आए हुए थे।
They were over for dinner. They were over for dinner.
मैंने हर तफसील को याददाश्त से वाबस्ता किया।
I committed every detail to memory. I committed every detail to memory.
इसने जल्दी से उसका नाम याद किया।
She hurriedly recalled his name. She hurriedly recalled his name.
तहवार का माहौल कई दिनों तक जारी रहा।
The festive atmosphere lasted for days. The festive atmosphere lasted for days.
मुजरिम को आज सजा सुनाई गई।
The criminal got sentenced today. The criminal got sentenced today.
यहाँ तक कि मैं जानता हूँ कि उसका क्या मतलब है।
Even I know what it meant. Even I know what it meant.
आखिर उसने अपने माज़ी के बारे में बात की।
Finally spoke up about his past. Finally spoke up about his past.
मैं सवाल का जवाब जानता हूँ।
I know the answer to the question. I know the answer to the question.
वो हमेशा तन्हा महसूस करता था।
He had always felt lonely. He had always felt lonely.
बातचीत झगड़े का बायस बनी।
The conversation led to an altercation. The conversation led to an altercation.
इसने उसे एक अहम रुकन बना दिया।
This made him an important member. This made him an important member.
हमें अपने अमाल का जवाबदेह होना चाहिए।
We should be accountable for our actions. We should be accountable for our actions.
मैं हैरान हूँ कि इसने ऐसा क्यों कहा।
I wonder why he said that. I wonder why he said that.
मेरे पास ये बरसों से है।
I have had this for years. I have had this for years.
कपड़े की लंबाई कम थी।
The length of the cloth was short. The length of the cloth was short.
वो हमेशा अपनी पढ़ाई पर तवज्जो मरकूज रखती थी।
She was always focused on her studies. She was always focused on her studies.
आप माहौल को अच्छी तरह जानते हैं।
You know the routine well. You know the routine well.
जूतों की कीमत देखकर वो घबरा गई।
She panicked at the price of the shoes. She panicked at the price of the shoes.
तालीम महंगी हो सकती है।
Education can be costly. Education can be costly.
मैं फर्क कर सकता हूँ।
I can make a difference. I can make a difference.
लिबास बिल्कुल ठीक लग रहा था।
The dress seemed to fit perfectly. The dress seemed to fit perfectly.
सबने उसे घोरा।
They all stared at him. They all stared at him.
वो अपनी माँ से मदद चाहती है।
She wants help from her mom. She wants help from her mom.
मैंने इसे डब्बे में फेंक दिया।
I threw it in a bin. I threw it in a bin.
उसने अपने कपड़ों से एक कीड़े को झाड़ा।
He brushed away a bug from his clothes. He brushed away a bug from his clothes.
मैं अब भी ज़लज़ले को महसूस कर सकता था।
I could still feel the tremor. I could still feel the tremor.
पार्क बच्चों के लिए खतरनाक हो सकता है।
The park could be risky for children. The park could be risky for children.
इसने कागजात से देखने का बहाना किया।
He pretended to be looking through the papers. He pretended to be looking through the papers.
मुझे बच्चों के साथ रहना था।
I want to stay with the children. I want to stay with the children.
इसने हथियार डाल दिए ताकि वो खुश हो सके।
She surrendered so he could be happy. She surrendered so he could be happy.
मैं बर्तन रखने के लिए उठा।
I rose to put away the dishes. I rose to put away the dishes.
बात करने से पहले रुक जाओ।
Pause before you talk. Pause before you talk.
वो गुस्से में लग रहा था।
He sounded fired up. He sounded fired up.
इन्हें इतना ही बुरा महसूस हुआ जैसा उसे हुआ था।
They felt as terrible as he did. They felt as terrible as he did.
मुझे पहले ही मायूस कर दे गया था।
He had been let down before. He had been let down before.
इसने इन्हें खुद बनने की ताकीद की।
He urged them to be themselves. He urged them to be themselves.
इसकी मुस्कुराहट से रोशनी हो गई।
Lighted up with her smile. Lighted up with her smile.
सबने अजीम बनने की साजिश की।
All conspired to be great. All conspired to be great.
उसने जाने से पहले थोड़ी देर के लिए सीखा।
He learned for a while before leaving. He learned for a while before leaving.
वो एक दूसरे के साथ रहे।
They stayed with each other. They stayed with each other.
वो अपने दोस्त से ज्यादा खामोश था।
He was quiet than his friend. He was quiet than his friend.
ये बहादुरी से बालातर था।
That was beyond brave. That was beyond brave.
जब सब कुछ खराब हो गया तब भी वो मेरे साथ रही।
She stuck with me when everything went down. She stuck with me when everything went down.
मुझे कभी एहसास नहीं हुआ कि इसकी कीमत कितनी है।
I never realized how much it costs. I never realized how much it costs.
इसे वो लम्हा कभी नहीं भूल सकता था।
He could never forget that moment. He could never forget that moment.
वो उसे याद दिलाना भूल गया।
He forgot to remind her. He forgot to remind her.
वो पिंजरे की तरफ मुतवज्जह हुए।
They turned to the cage. They turned to the cage.
जवाब देने से पहले इसके जवाब पर गौर करें।
Considered her answer before replying. Considered her answer before replying.
डी और भी बड़ा हो गया।
The D grew even larger. The D grew even larger.
इसके अंदर उम्मीद जगमगा उठी।
Hope swelled within him. Hope swelled within him.
बाहर निकलने के तरीके तलाश करें।
Look around for ways to break out. Look around for ways to break out.
चौंक कर इसका मुंह खिला का खिला रह गया।
His mouth fell open in stunned shock. His mouth fell open in stunned shock.
तो आगे बढ़ें और अपने इम्तिहानात लिखें।
So go on and write your exams. So go on and write your exams.
अपनी कुर्सी से उठ जाओ।
Get off your chair. Get off your chair.
आपका दिमाग खराब है।
You are out of your mind. You are out of your mind.
मैं इससे ज्यादा जानता हूँ जो तुम जानते हो।
I know more than what you know. I know more than what you know.
इसके बाद उसको गुस्सा आने लगा।
He then felt angry at the obtrusion. He then felt angry at the obtrusion.
मैं सब के बाद हार नहीं मान सकता।
I may not give up after all. I may not give up after all.
इसे दरवाजे से बाहर निकाल दिया गया।
He was kicked out the door. He was kicked out the door.
बिल्ली इसके सीने से लगी हुई थी।
The cat was clutched to her chest. The cat was clutched to her chest.
मैं रात को घर वापस आया।
I returned home at night. I returned home at night.
वो इस सूरत हाल से शर्मिंदा थे।
They felt embarrassed by the situation. They felt embarrassed by the situation.
वो कभी ज्यादा जज्बाती नहीं हुई।
She has never been more emotional. She has never been more emotional.
इसका दिन उस वक्त शुरू हुआ जब उसने अपना कलम खो दिया।
His day started when he lost his pen. His day started when he lost his pen.
मुझे ये भी मालूम था।
I also knew that. I also knew that.
हम काम के लिए तैयार हैं।
We are up to the task. We are up to the task.
बस इसके साथ चलो।
Just go with it. Just go with it.
इसे समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि क्या कहे।
He wasn't sure what to say. He wasn't sure what to say.
मैंने ट्रैफिक से बचने के लिए एक शॉर्टकट पास किया।
I passed a shortcut to avoid traffic. I passed a shortcut to avoid traffic.
वो आपको छोड़ने वाला नहीं है।
He will not let you be. He will not let you be.
मैं इसकी हरगिज़ इजाजत नहीं दूंगा।
I would never allow that. I would never allow that.
तुम इसके पास जाओ और इसके बारे में बात करो।
You should go to him and talk about it. You should go to him and talk about it.
मुझे उनके साथ काम करने में कोई एतराज नहीं है।
I don't mind working with them. I don't mind working with them.
वो सूरत हाल पर गौर कर रहा था।
He seemed to ponder the situation. He seemed to ponder the situation.
मेरा दिल हैरानी से धड़क रहा था।
My heart pounded with shock. My heart pounded with shock.
ये वो नहीं था जिसकी मुझे तवक्को थी।
It wasn't what I expected. It wasn't what I expected.
मैं उलझन में था कि क्या करूं।
I was confused about what to do. I was confused about what to do.
इसे मासिक के नीचे पसीना आ रहा था।
He was sweating beneath the mask. He was sweating beneath the mask.
हल्की हवा के झोंके से इसकी जल्द ठंडी हो गई।
Her skin cooled by a light breeze. Her skin cooled by a light breeze.
मैंने दुकान के पास गाड़ी खड़ी की।
I parked beside the store. I parked beside the store.
वो देखे जाने के बारे में मुहतात थे।
They were cautious about being seen. They were cautious about being seen.
जो कुछ उसने देखा था वो उसे सदमे में छोड़ गया।
What he had seen left him in shock. What he had seen left him in shock.
वो अभी तक सदमे से निढाल थी।
She was still reeling from the shock. She was still reeling from the shock.
मैं इससे बचने के लिए दाईं तरफ बढ़ा।
I moved to the right to evade him. I moved to the right to evade him.
वो समझ नहीं पा रहे थे कि क्या करना है।
They were not sure what to do. They were not sure what to do.
इसे संजीदगी से नहीं लिया गया।
He wasn't taken seriously. He wasn't taken seriously.
मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप मुझे किताब देने में कोई एतराज नहीं करेंगे।
I hope you do not mind giving me the book. I hope you do not mind giving me the book.